factor of 252. So 252, it can be written as 2 times 126. 2 times 126 means 252. So now 126, it can be written as 2 times 63. 2 times 63 mean 126. 63, it can be written as 3 times 21. 3 times 21 mean 63, and 21, it can be written as 3 times 7. 3 times 7 mean 21. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 3, 3 and 7. So we can write 252 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers. That is, first one is 2. So 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 3 times this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.